Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to improve the audio sound quality on your Windows system and get clearer, deeper bass and get best experience. The steps are very simple and highly effective if you apply it correctly. So first, let's start by clicking on the Windows Start icon and open Settings. Then go to System tab and then select Sound. Here, under the output section, make sure the correct speaker or audio device is selected. You'll also see an option called Mono Audio, which combines the left and right audio channels into one. In some cases, stereo sound can feel uneven, with audio shifting between speakers. Turning on Mono Audio blends everything together, which can sound better depending on your speakers. If your laptop or external speakers have dual speakers, give this a try. If you like the result, keep it on. If not, you can always turn it back off, since this really depends on the type of speakers you're using. Once that's done, scroll down a little bit and click on More Sound Settings. A small window will open with different sound settings. Under Playback, select your speaker, then double-click on it to open its properties. Here, you'll see tabs like General, Levels, Advanced, and Spatial Sound. Go to the Levels tab and adjust the volume carefully. Increase the sound level 100%. If you hear the sound distortion or crackling, then decrease it. You can also click on Balance to make sure the left and right channels are 100% adjusted. Next, move to the Enhancements tab. You can try different enhancement features and see which work best. After that, check the Spatial Sound tab. If you're using headphones, you can try options like Windows Sonic or Dolby for a more immersive experience. For speakers, we'll use an additional tool that significantly enhances audio quality. After that, then open the Microsoft Store and in search type FX Sound and press Enter. This is a free and highly rated audio enhancement app. We will install this app. Once it's installed, then open the app. This is FX Sound Tool interface, very neat and clean. First, we will select the correct speaker from the right-hand side list. After that, in left-hand side list, you'll notice there are different preset sound profiles designed for different use cases. For example, if you're watching a movie, you can select the movie preset and it will automatically adjust the audio for better dialogue and immersive sound. If you're listening to music, simply switch to the music preset, and for gaming, choose the gaming preset to enhance effects and clarity. Once you select a preset, just click the apply button and the settings will take effect instantly. If you prefer more control, you can also create your own custom settings and test different adjustments to see what sounds best for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with others who might need better sound on Windows 11. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Take care.